Presenting the 2011 Hyundai Sonata Limited. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include front-wheel drive, engine speed sensing PWR steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, dark chrome grille, chrome hood garnish, chrome window trim, fog lights, solar control glass, trip computer and active ecosystem. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.